Hi guys! Today we're going to make a crossed purse with a macrame flap. Don't worry, this tutorial is beginner friendly, so it can easily be your first project. Let's do this! We'll use a 5mm braided cord in magic pink, an 8mm crochet hook, and some 5mm macrame cord for our fringes. Let's start with a simple chain. Take your tool and follow me. Our chain needs to be 20 stitches long. Now we're going to make the first row of double crochets. Don't forget to add a loop at the end of each row. Repeat it until you have 10 rows. End it like that and hide the end of the cord. Fold the project in half and take one of the 18 cm pieces of cord. Connect the sides in the way you tie your shoelace and end it with a little bow. At this moment, your purse should look like that. It is time for our macrame flap. On one side of our purse, you need to tie a lark's head knots with our 100 cm pieces of cord. Do it every second loop. To make our flap in a triangle shape, we will use a macrame net made from alternating square knots. You will find a tutorial for this knot on our website. Make the first row and then leave 2 cords at each side. Repeat it until you have only one knot. Take the macrame cord and tie 2 pieces on every 2 cords left on the edge. Cut those loose braided cords and comb out our macrame cords. Congrats! Your purse is ready to go!